Neurons are the fundamental units of the nervous system, responsible for transmitting electrical signals. Unlike other cells, neurons are uniquely specialized to generate and conduct electrical impulses, making communication within the body possible. But how do they achieve this? To understand, let's first explore the structure of a neuron. Neurons have three main structural components: dendrites, the soma, and the axon. Dendrites are thread-like extensions that receive signals and carry them toward the cell body. The cell body, or soma, houses essential organelles like the nucleus, cytoplasm, and Nissl granules, which play a role in nutrition and protein synthesis. The axon is a long projection that transmits impulses away from the cell body. It originates from the axon hillock and ends in axon terminals, where signals are transmitted to other neurons or effectors. Some axons are covered with a myelin sheath, which enhances signal conduction. While axons and dendrites may regenerate, mature neurons do not undergo cell division. As an axon reaches its endpoint, it branches into multiple small extensions, each ending in an enlarged presynaptic terminal. These terminals are essential for transmitting signals to the next neuron or an effector organ by releasing neurotransmitters into the synaptic cleft. Myelination plays a vital role in neural signal transmission. The myelin sheath, a fatty insulating layer, covers axons and enhances the speed of impulse conduction. In the central nervous system, myelination is performed by oligodendrocytes, whereas in the peripheral nervous system, Schwann cells carry out this function. The node of Ranvier, an unmyelinated segment between myelinated regions, allows for saltatory conduction, significantly increasing the speed of nerve impulses. The velocity of impulse transmission depends on both the diameter of the axon and the extent of myelination. Neurons are classified based on myelination into myelinated and unmyelinated neurons. Neurons can be classified based on their function into three main types: sensory neurons, interneurons, and motor neurons. Sensory neurons transmit sensory information. They carry signals from sensory receptors, such as the skin or eyes, to other neurons or directly to the central nervous system for processing. Interneurons. Interneurons are found within the CNS. They play a key role in processing information and transmitting signals from the control center to the effector organs, such as muscles or glands. Essentially, they relay commands within the body. Motor neurons transmit impulses from the central nervous system to muscles or glands. They are crucial for initiating and controlling movement or other physiological responses.